Hello guys, today it's about Ghostbusters, and the new one is releasing today. And on the Blu-ray one, it's not really doing too well. It's doing better than probably Snake Eyes and some other movies. The Blu-ray videos are weird. Sometimes, sometimes movies very well underperform, and sometimes movies overperform. I don't really get it, but that's how the world works. So, Ghostbusters Afterlife is overperforming Ghostbusters 2016. Yep, it is overperforming Ghostbusters 2016. Who could have predicted that? So we have the Dead Run article, which put the comparison to Ghostbusters 2016. So the Paul Feig Ghostbusters is the one that really zero people like. Okay, so they're projecting it around 28 million, but 40 to 45 million. But it's technically overperforming that amount because it is performing similar to Dune, Quiet Place, and Halloween Kills. Okay, more than Jungle Cruise. It's not performing like Jungle Cruise. A 40 million plus opening is probably imminent. It really depends on how it really does at the box office, but the all-female Ghostbusters movie didn't really do too well at the box office, mostly due to the negative reactions of the movie. The Ghostbusters 2016 had a massive, a lot of people hated Ghostbusters 2016. I didn't want to watch it. I have no plans of watching Ghostbusters 2016. I heard it was garbage. I don't want to see it. Okay, and the movie is doing pretty well. Most of your average moviegoers are going back to watching movies like normally. Most of your average moviegoers, out going back to see movies in the theaters. Again, a lot of people mostly watch like one or two movies a year, which is the most likely thing, or a couple movies a year, basically, you know. But Ghostbusters Afterlife is overperforming Ghostbusters 2016, which is pretty huge because Ghostbusters 2016, okay, didn't really do too well at the box office. We all know that already. And the movie opened to 46 million. But we'll be really comparing it and how it goes so far in the future. How Ghostbusters 2016 goes so far in the future. How it will do during the next weekend. Well, it's a literal bloodbath of a weekend. We have the Resident Evil movie coming out. Yep, another Resident Evil movie that no one wanted and no one asked for. Okay, yeah. Okay. And we're getting the Encanto movie, which will probably top the box office. And Ghostbusters will be like that third option. I know the Eternals will still be out, but no one likes the Eternals. I think we all know that for sure. Okay. Yeah. And it is ahead of the for Sony's one, 3.5 million. And also was protecting. But the movie is likely going to overperform these projections, okay? In June to July, movies were doing worse because of the pandemic, okay? The pandemic was coming back. There was the variants going around and stuff. Now we mostly got the pandemic is going back in, Europe and parts of America because it is getting cold. But not many people are really getting it that bad. Okay, it's not. We mostly have already beaten it. That's all we have to do is look at the death rate of the pandemic, and it isn't really as high as last year. So that means that, it is going down. We are defeating the COVID. But yeah, there we go about Ghostbusters Afterlife. So yep, this movie is overperforming, and it is gonna probably beat this movie domestically, which means the female Ghostbusters will get another L. Haha. Goodbye.